St. Martin, day one officially. We're sitting here at Little Cabana. We got some nice drinks, and here's the view.
They just had one out randomly, and you just go up and jump on it.
Stinking gorgeous. The water's so blue. Some parasailing going on, and these boats right there. I can't really see what I'm pointing at. There's some trampoline buoys out there in the water. Some sailboats. We're gonna hang out here for a while, and then we're gonna go and check out some other attractions and activities this evening. But for right now, beach.
Hello! So we're in the water now. Oh, a little deep. I'll get back over this way. Okay, so there's a little trampoline thing that Brandon was talking about. We'll probably do that one day. We're just hanging out in the water now. And then we'll go explore some more later.
Alright, Nicole and I just walked up the beach to see what other little areas there were. We're staying in a part called Orient Bay, and it has like sections of umbrellas and stuff that are ran by some companies, and you pay for the umbrellas, and they do jet skis and stuff, and they're like probably every 100 yards there's a different company that runs it. So we're in a pretty nice area. It seems like there's a lot more going on where we're staying than in the other sections, but it's really nice. I think we came in a good time of year because like this is apparently the happening place, and it's 12 o'clock on a Sunday. No one is out here, so it is nice. Let me tell you a thing. Let me lay some truth on you. It's pretty nice. Really excited. Yesterday when we got here, we were driving through, and the GPS took us through the middle of the island, and it was
Concerning.
We were very worried. Like everyone was thinking it, and then I finally said something, and everybody like, yeah, we were all really worried because everything looked like poor and run down, and it was rough, like I think you hear about all Caribbean islands. But then we got to the coast where our house was, and everything is really nice. Like it's like a little community where you can walk to everything. There are like 5 or 6 restaurants within a baseball throw of our house, and so we're day one right now, and we really like it. So I think this evening we're going to drive around, check out some stuff that our homeowner told us to look at. That's pretty cool, and we'll film some of that stuff. Today's just a chill day for us.
Good evening. So it's much later now. I took like a 3 to 4 hour nap whenever we got back from the beach and ate lunch and stuff here at the house. Now we're getting ready to go out for dinner. So we don't know where we're going to go yet. I think we might just explore a little bit and then try and figure out where we're going to go. So I'll show you guys that. And then I was just mentioning to Brandon, I want to do a house tour tomorrow. So I'll film that tomorrow sometime. pasta.
Like the main.
A little dark.
Right.
I mean, it looks like it's.
Onion.
Brandon got the lamb shoulder potatoes. That's my favorite one.
Stuff in here.
Yep.
Oh yeah. And then Sally got the risotto.
And I have a mojito.
And Kevin has a mojito.